Okay, hello again, Year 7. So we're going to continue today with finding percentages of amounts or finding percentages of quantities means the same thing. Okay, so whether I say amounts or or quantities, they mean exactly the same thing. So can we start by writing down your date and your title, underlining them both? And you'll notice that I've put a calculator with a big cross through it, which means that this work is non-calculator, so you don't need a calculator with you. Okay, so we're just kind of carrying on to maybe help strengthen this work because percentages is such an important topic. Okay, so pause the video, write everything down that you need to, and we'll get going. So here's something that I'd like you to copy down into your books, please. Okay, I know we might have done this before, or actually, no, I don't think we have because it was a My Maths lesson, wasn't it? But this section here where I'm highlighting around, that's what I'd like you to copy into your books, please. So to find 50%, you divide the number by 2. To find 10%, you divide the number by 10. And then to find 1%, you divide the number by 100. Okay, and we did a little bit of practicing dividing by 10, dividing by 100 and everything. Okay, so should be all confident with that. So make sure you've got those down. And it says using these 3 rules, you can find any percentage of any amount, and that's so true. They're the 3 main percentages that we need. Okay, so here's your first example. Copy this into your books, please. Find 50% of 120. Well, we know to find 50%, we divide by 2, so we've just got to do 120 divided by 2, which is 60. And that's our answer, 60. So make sure you've got that written down. This should be really, really quick for us to do. Okay, pause the video whenever you need to. Example 2, find 10% of 60. Well, we've already said that to find 10% we divide by 10, so we've got to do 60 divided by 10, which is 6, and so 10% is 6. Okay, so 10% equals 6. Okay, make sure you've got that copied down. And then the last one, find 1% of 180. Now to find 1%, we said we divide by 100. So we've got to do 180 divided by 100. Now remember, when we divide by 100, we move everything 2 places to the right. So 180 is going to get moved 2 places to the right, all the digits are, which is going to mean that it's 1.8. We could say 1.80, but we don't, because we actually don't need that 0. It doesn't change the value of the number. So even though it may start off as 1.80, we don't actually need that 0 there, and we can get rid of it. We don't need it. Okay, so 1% is 1.8 of 180. So they're the 3 main percentages that you need to know how to find. So here are the questions I'd like you to do today. Okay, so questions to practice. You have got 6 numbers on the left, and you have got to find 10%, 1%, and 50% of each of those numbers. I would like you to set it out as you can see on your screen now. Okay, so you'll find 40% and you'll write 10% equals something. 1% equals something, and 50% equals something, okay, for each one in a row. And you'll do that for each number, okay? Now, once you've done that, there are answers on the PDF that I'm going to attach, so you can check your answers before you submit the work to me. So I'd like you to take a picture of your work and then send it to me via Google Classroom, as you usually do, as most of you usually do, or via email, whichever one is working for you best. Remember, if you have any problems with today's work, please let me know. Please comment or email, and I'm sure I can help you sort everything out. Okay? Now remember to check your work before you hand it in, so I can see how you've done. Okay, Year 7? Right, I hope you have a lovely rest of the day, and remember, please email me if you need me, okay?